Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called a trench. So a trench is almost like switching pullbacks or switching pickups, also called grab-offs, but a little bit easier and kind of weird in the fact that you kind of have to move your foot in a weird way in order to get the proper sound. So these are super fun to do, super fun to throw in a dance. I've put them in some of my dances before. So let's go ahead and get started. So a trench, you're going to step down with one foot as you push out with the other foot. So it's almost like a slide, and these can either go side to side or front and back. I'll show you the front and back in a minute, but for now I'm going to do the slide side to side, excuse me. So you're going to step, let's say step on your right foot, and you're going to replace your left foot. Your left foot's going to slide out to the side. Okay, so you're pushing down and out. Okay, so again, step and push. And then from here, your left foot is going to replace your right foot as it slides to the right. Okay, and then again, back and forth. So you don't want to pick up your foot like with pickups or grab-offs. You're used to picking up your foot as you switch so that you get that spank sound. These ones you want to drive your foot into the ground as you push them side to side. So you're jumping on your right, pushing down into the left. Okay? Almost like you're falling. Okay, does that make sense? So that's a side to side. Forward to backward, you're going to step onto your right foot forward as you push your left foot back. You're going to push it down in the ground, slide your foot behind you. Now I'm going to switch to the other foot. So I'm stepping on my left, sliding the right foot back. Okay, and then you get that old-timey move that you see in old tap dances. So now you're going to push again through the left, but stepping on the right. And especially with these forward and back, it's easy to try to switch it into switching pickups. So really watch out that you're not getting a spank. You're just getting a slide back. Okay? So let's go ahead and do a few of these here. So you're stepping and sliding. So these are called trenches. You can either do them side to side or forward and backward. Like I said, super fun to do. Not too difficult, except that it's a little bit of a weird foot placement, okay? So here's the side to side one more time. And here's the back and forth one more time. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. You're stepping down as you're pushing one foot behind you. So you're stepping and sliding behind you. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. I'm way out of breath. And don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.